Hello mga kapatid. So, ang buwan ng Marso ngayon ay is the celebration of Ramadan for our brothers and sisters. And they observe fast the whole day. Hindi sila kumakain kahit ano, kahit tubig. Pero they're breaking their fast sometimes after sunset. So, maraming nagbibigay ng pagkain sa streets dito, mga locals mostly. And they're showing their generosity. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat at God